How's it going, everyone, and welcome back to another episode. Today we are starting the demolition of Project Iris. At the moment I'm standing in the bathroom of the old house. This entire room here was asbestos, so I've had a few people come through and pull out all the asbestos in the house. It was this room here and the front deck. So you can have an idea where we're at right now. At the moment we are still with council trying to get the approval for the house. However, while that's going on, I'm allowed to pull up all the floors, remove the walls that I don't need, and remove all the asbestos in the house, which, like this room, we have done. There's a few things that I found along the way when I've been demolishing the house, like an old fire alarm. The house's name is Iris, as you can see here. So if you want to see some of these old items restored and put back into the house, leave a comment below and I'll be sure to check it out. So to begin the video today, we're going to start pulling up all the wall and floor vinyl and removing all the little partitions throughout the house. If you enjoyed the video today, be sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Hope you enjoy the video. Some good news in the house. I'm up in the roof at the moment and this place is spotless, so there's really not much work. I'll flip the camera now so you can have a good look. There's really just nothing up here. It's actually probably one of the cleanest rooms I've ever seen. There is a bucket, but apart from that, there's no work up here that needs to be done for the demolition. The ceilings throughout the entire house are made from these styrofoam tiles, so we're just going to grab a scraper and go through each room and start peeling it back. If you haven't seen one of these, this is a nightmare. It's an old fire alarm. It's meant to have a cap over the front here, which then falls off once it reaches a certain temperature. At the back here, the fire alarm is powered by this Allen key. You use that and you put it in this little hole right in the center here, wind it up, and it's ready to go. Now that the house is all cleared out and ready to be spun around, I can take you throughout the house so you can see what we're working with here. This section here is the old side veranda of the house. It's previously been enclosed where all the windows are, and this will turn into the ensuite and the walk-in robe for the master bedroom. The current living room, as you can see here, has been all stripped. You can see the VJ timber ceilings that has been stripped of the foam. The stairs for the new house will come up around here somewhere. That door will be closed off. A wall will go over this old archway, and that will be the master bedroom leading onto the ensuite and the walk-in robe in the side deck. Just beside the master bedroom over here, we'll have bedroom, I think it's bedroom 2 and bedroom 3. Bedroom 4 is over here, just where the old kitchen was. That's also been all stripped and ready to go. All the bedrooms in the house had that styrofoam ceiling, so each bedroom now has the classic VJ look. So for the last room, just off the main living room as it is at the moment, this room here will turn into a study connecting onto the shared bathroom for the upper level. This is the underside of the house. This is obviously all going to be gone in the next couple weeks. Actually, I'm expecting it to be lifted in around March. So all this will be cleared out and the house will be lifted up, ready to go for all the under area. While I was removing the old fire alarm in the house, we also found this old concrete laundry sink. If you want to see this installed and put into the new house, let me know in the comments. Even send me through some ideas of the design. That is it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Be sure to hit that like and subscribe button to keep up with all future updates of the house.